Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Ruby Plays. Today I'm going to be teaching my friend to play Roblox, and we just started an account for her, and basically we're going to be teaching her how to play Roblox. And she has had many previous accounts in the past.
I forgot all the passwords. So.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to be doing a video today. So my friend Maya is now going to be playing the game, and I'm going to be teaching her some things that she can do. So, she doesn't know how to play this very well, obviously. Because she's very new. This is her character, and basically we're going to be creating a dorm for her, and we are going to be making her not a noob anymore.
Oh, wow.
So there's like skate parks and everything, so if you want... Yeah, that's a lesson. So lots of people might, you could don't do that.
You see this?
Okay.
Yeah, look at that.
You can cook things.
Oh, let's cook.
Okay.
Or you just like walk through.
Okay, so I'll teach you how to do this.
Wait, I know.
So it's me controlling right now. So
no, this is me. Look
No,
how
yeah.
good I am. It's my first day, and I'm already a natural.
you're not. You're rubbish at this. Sorry.
Please.
Let's sit
Wait,
with
how do
all
I
of
jump?
them.
How do I
Look,
jump?
there's another person that's a noob.
Hi.
And spacebar if you.
Wait.
You are.
How do I speak?
Okay, so go into here.
Uh-huh.
And
Oh,
you can say, hey girls, or something like that. Hey girl.
okay.
Hey girls.
Hey, look me by.
Yeah,
Do
say
anyone
yes.
want to be my friend?
Yeah.
Let me try.
Sure. Let's see if she says no, because obviously we're a noob on here, and
Oh my god. Yay.
no, she was saying that to someone else. No, you're not. You're not
Yay, best. Oh.
saying it to her. She's mean. Okay.
Oh,
Do you want-
she's a cowgirl.
We can ditch class. By the way, I'm controlling at the moment, so
Wait, you press space to run.
no.
Oh, you press space to
to
jump.
jump. Yeah.
Okay, it's good.
No, wait.
Let me
I really
control.
want to control.
No, but please.
So
Oh. No, can I
okay,
please?
wait there. Let's go outside. Let's claim your dorm, and we can decorate it, and then we can.
Can I
Sign out.
practice right now? Oh.
There's
A bit of a harsh jump.
There's a bully
there.
here. This is
Oh, hey, bumhole.
so this is a dorm thing. You can
That's
either
huge.
live on the first floor, the second floor, or the top floor.
Top floor.
Top floor. Down here or the corner. Which one?
The last one.
Okay. And you get like a huge window. Right, let's go up to it. Come on, claim dorm. Yes. So this is your dorm at the moment. So you get a nice view of the skate park.
Alright.
So
Thank you.
what are you doing?
I forgot in the moment of like 5 seconds. Look at that.
By the way, just to let you know, we have 15 minutes to do this video, so we're gonna have to fit vlogging.
Alright,
There
look
is
at that.
also
Look at
nightclubs.
them buns.
Stop! This is supposed to be uploaded to YouTube, my YouTube.
Okay.
Wait, no wait, go back.
I will.
Go back.
I am.
Wait, no, stop.
I'm sorry.
Is that no? Stop. It's public. We can go into his. So this is what I mean by you can decorate. Oh, there's people in here. Stop.
No. Hi. Oh, I didn't know.
Mine's really nice.
This is mine.
Why does he have so many beds? They're really
Hey.
expensive, by the way. You won't be able to get anything. Right, zoom out.
No.
You've got to zoom out.
I'm sorry.
Stop doing that. It's really annoying.
Well, let's jump on the bed.
Still walk while doing it. Look.
Oh, we got on the bunk bed.
No, you don't. You don't want to jump. You can climb up the ladder.
Oi. No, you're gonna make me fall off. Oh.
Okay, now. No.
Yay. Let's go to sleep.
No. You can't.
Oh, why not?
Alright, let me control it real quick. So, yeah? No! Wait, we're playing a game and doing a video. So guys, we're back. Sorry, my sister was calling me, so, but, anyway.
Ruby's taken over, so this is now her game.
Well, it is. Anyway, if you're wondering what game we're playing on, I think you've noticed it from a couple of my videos. But we are playing Roblox in high school. And so I'm gonna be putting on an outfit for her, and you can choose like loads of faces and things.
By the way, this is like, we literally made my account like 5 minutes ago, so she's just gonna try and get stuff for me.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Trying to make me look poppin'.
Okay, so this is
Like the little queefer I am. Wait, make her stand at the side.
no, can't.
Well, obviously PPT has not hit, even though she's in high school. Wait, do the box head, because that's literally me. No! Oh my god, do this one.
Wait, put that one on.
That's me, keep it like that.
No, let's go for a nice one. I don't even know where a nice one is.
That's me.
I don't even know what
Who is that?
a
She's
girl.
got very
Okay.
big thighs, hasn't she? And a very small head.
Outfits. So you can be one of these, or you can be or you can like customize your own, which I like personally. So let's go with hair. So you've got loads of hair options. Like
I have a lot of weave. Sorry. Oh, do the fire. I look like Jake. If people at our school, you'll know what we're talking about. Why are there so many people behind me?
it's because they're spawning into the game.
What was that? A spider. Oh, do the rainbow hair next to that.
Okay, so you can go for some blonde hair.
Because in real life, I do have. Oh my god, that's me!
Look
No.
at that.
Put that on. That on.
That I like this. It's nice. I think that's you. Yeah. You've got like gold hair. You don't like it?
I do.
Do you want it?
I don't know. What was that?
That was you.
No, you just snorted.
My gut. Gum. Or do you like this? Just like,
That's actually me.
well, you don't have long hair.
Well, my hair isn't as long as that. Oh my god, that's Elsa.
No,
Aha!
it's Elsa hair. Look. I reckon you'll like that.
Oh, I love that. Can I have that, please?
A
violet freshman.
you can.
Smart.
You're a cheerleader, by the way. So.
Oh,
Okay, so you can literally wear whatever you want.
Oh! Who's going to be seeing this video? No! Don't show them me topless. This is YouTube. Oh. No, I really like that panda thing. Comment down below what you think a cheerleader's costume would be like. And maybe we'll do a part 2. Oh! then maybe we'll do part 2. Why do I always wear like such short shorts?
Who likes short shorts? I like short shorts. We can go with them and then like a nice, like the panda shirt.
They
Or
look
like the bunny.
They look like Legos, don't they? These people.
Their hands. Yeah. Not like, I think not like that.
Yeah.
Do you like that?
Yes. Oh, he just flashed me. One in the back, didn't he? He just flashed me.
You can have whatever you want on here. Just say.
Oh, that's nice.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Do you want that?
Yeah.
Do you want to change your face? Oh wait.
No, I don't need to change my face. My face is beautiful. I'm kidding. And what was that?
There you go. That's what you look like. Now people won't think you're a noob. You can change your name if you want. Look, so.
Wait, did you guys hear that? Ruby's
What?
sister is singing.
Yeah. Okay. What name do you want yours to be? It's like Sasha or like Stephanie.
Stephanie. Laquifa.
Okay.
Okay, that is how I spell my name. Laquifa is my name.
You can change your thing if you don't want to be cheerleader.
Okay. Theo. I don't know.
Principal.
No.
Which one?
Cheerleader.
You're
Ooh,
already a
teacher. Try teacher.
You're a teacher. No, we're big. No.
Why are you standing on me?
Wait, what?
I'm your teacher. I'll get you expelled, you cat. Oh my god, Madeline.
Look at this girl.
I'll put some clothes on.
Okay. So, we can buy a skateboard.
Oh,
want?
yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna be the cool teacher.
Lovely. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. No. I'm
Okay.
filming a video.
I'll carry on with the video.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, so
So all you do is literally you just do what you do when you're walking. Okay.
yes.
They see me rolling.
Okay, so hey guys. Now she's gone, we can get right down to business, can't we? Alright, so I don't know where I'm going. I want to turn back. No, go back. No! Oh, oops. Thank you. No! Guys, help. No, I want you to go the other way. No, help! Help me! Oh. Wait, where'd my skateboard go? I've been robbed of my skateboard. Wait, Ruby's coming back down. Let's go back up to our dorm and try and buy some stuff. Okay, we have 2 minutes left, so we're gonna have to do a part 2 of this, alright? Wait, guys, comment down below if you want us to do a part 2 of this.
No, because
Cooking.
we're gonna do it today. Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to have to do a part 2.
And should we do a social experiment? Like we're gonna be like really popular, yeah. And then
Yeah,
we're gonna get a boyfriend,
yeah, my life dreams.
and then
I'm
what
kidding.
we're gonna do is we're gonna change into a noob outfit and see what they think.
Nude outfit. I think that,
Noob. So like hasn't got any Robux.
oh, alright.
That'd be good because that's very popular on YouTube at the moment. So yeah.
Okay.
So
we have enough time to do the outro. Okay.
Yeah.
So guys,
thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe
Alright.
for Ruby Plays and make sure to go and watch the part 2.
yes.
And
Ah.
well, make sure to smash that like button. Let's get this to 5 likes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good.
And please subscribe. Goodbye.